The next question is question number 12. From the top of 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of cable tower is 60 meter and the angle of depression of the foot is 45 meter. Determine the height of the tower. Here AB is the building. It is 7-meter high. The angle of elevation of top of cable tower. Here is the cable tower. Is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the cable tower. This from 7-meter high building. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. And angle of depression of the foot is. And here is the foot of the tower. Its angle of depression is 45 degree. This is the angle of depression. It is of 45 degree. Determine the height of tower. Now we are to find the height of tower. See here AP is parallel to BD. Now angle PAD is given to be 45. Then angle ADB will be equal to 45 because these are alternate interior angles. Now we have got two triangles. One is triangle APC, right angled at P. The other is triangle ABD, right angled at B. Now AB by BD is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. AB by BD is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 is 1 and AB is given to be 7. 7 by BD is equal to 1. From here we get BD is equal to 7 meter. We have found out BD is equal to 7 meter. Now in triangle APC, AP is equal to BD, then AP is equal to 7 meter. Now this PD we know is equal to 7 meter. It is equal to AB. Now we are to find CP. We consider CP to be X. Then X upon 7 is equal to tangent 60. X upon 7 is equal to tangent 60. X by 7 is equal to square root 3. X is equal to 7 root 3. Now CD is X plus 7. CD is CP plus PD. It is X plus 7. CD is equal to X plus 7. X was 7 square root 3. We put the value of X. It becomes 7 square root 3 plus 7. 7 is common. Then here we get 7 into square root 3 plus 1 meters. Then the next question is question number 13. As observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse, 75-meter high lighthouse, AB is the lighthouse. It is 75-meter high. From sea level, the angle of depression of the two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. Here are two ships. One is at point C and the other is at point D. From the lighthouse, we see the ships. Then we will get the angle of depressions. The angle of depression of the ship at C is 45 degree. Angle of depression of the ship at D is 30 degree. Now this angle is 45, then this line is parallel to this one and this is intersecting. Then this angle is 45, then this will be also 45. Now these are parallel lines. It is intersecting. This angle is 30, then alternate interior angle it is 30 degree. Now we have got the triangle ABC and triangle ABD. See here AB upon BC. AB upon BC is equal to tangent 45. AB upon BC is equal to tangent 45. AB is given to be 75. 75 by BC is equal to 1. BC is equal to 75. We get the value of BC from here, that is 75 meter. Tangent 45 is equal to 1. You all know now. BA by BD. BA by BD. BD is this point. BA by BD is equal to tangent 30. Now you know the value of tangent 30 is 1 by root 3. BA by BD. See here, BD is BC plus CD. Then instead of BD we can write BC plus CD. BA was given to be 75. See here, BA was given to be 75. 75 by BC plus CD is equal to 1 by root 3. 75 by 75 plus CD is equal, because BC just now we have found out that BC is equal to 75. Then we have put the value of BC. 75 by 75 plus CD is equal to 1 by root 3. Then now we take square root 3 on the left side. 75 into square root 3 is equal to 75 plus CD. 75 plus CD we have taken on the right side. 75 square root 3 minus 75 is equal to CD. Now 75 is common from here. 75 into square root 3 minus 1. This 75 has gone outside. Then here we will get 1. 75 into square root 3 minus 1 meter is equal to CD. That we were to find out. This is the answer. Then the next question is question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with wind in a horizontal line at a height of 89.4 meter from the ground. Here is the girl. She is 1.2 meter tall. Now she has a balloon moving horizontally at a height of 89.4 meters. This balloon is 89.4 meter away from the ground. Means this whole height is 89.4 meter. Then from the eyes of the girl at any the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any point is 60 degree. See, here is the point A. Here when the balloon is here at the point A, then the angle of elevation is 60 degree with the horizontal. Now horizontal is from the eyes of the girl. It is 60 degree here. Then the angle of elevation when the balloon comes to the point B is of 30 degree with the horizontal. This horizontal is parallel to the ground. See, it is parallel to the ground. Now what will be the height AE? AE will be equal to this whole height minus this height. This height is how much? It is the height of the girl, that is 1.2 meter. This total height is 89.4 meters. And then this height will become equal to 89.4 minus 1.2, that is 88.2. Means here AE is equal to 88.2 and BC is equal to 88.2. Now we have two triangles. One is triangle ADE and the other is triangle BDC. First I will take in triangle AED. In triangle AED, AE upon DE is equal to tangent 60. We put the value of tangent 60 and the value of AE. AE upon DE is equal to tangent 60 is equal to square root 3. Then we take square root 3 on the left side. AE upon square root 3 is equal to DE. AE is 88.2. We put the value of AE. 88.2 upon square root 3 is equal to DE. From here we get DE is equal to 88.2 upon square root 3. Now BC upon DC. BC upon DC is equal to tangent 30. DC is equal to BE plus EC. DC is equal to DE plus EC. We put the values again. and here we get 88.2 upon 88.2 upon square root 3. DE was 88.2 upon square root 3. Then we have put the value of DE 88.2 upon square root 3 plus EC is equal to 1 by square root 3. Now it will become 88.2 into square root 3 is equal to 88.2 upon square root 3 plus EC by cross multiplication. 88.2 into square root 3 minus 88.2 upon square root 3 is equal to EC. We have taken this constant term to the left side. Now 88.2 is common. Then we get 88.2 into square root 3 minus 1 upon square root 3 is equal to EC. Now we take the LCM. Square root 3 is the LCM in between the brackets. Then square root 3 into square root 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 upon square root 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. It will become 28.2 into 2 divided by square root 3 is equal to EC. We have got 88.2 into 3 minus 1 upon square root 3 is equal to EC. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into 88.2 upon square root 3 is equal to EC. Now we rationalize the denominator. Square root 3 by square root 3 we have taken here. 2 into 88.2 upon square root 3 into square root 3 is 3 multiplied by square root 3. Now we solve it and we get the value of EC. It is 58.8 into square root 3 meters.